Is your Android home screen cluttered, missing icons, or acting strangely? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your home screen layout on your Samsung phone and bring it back to its default look in just a few minutes. Start by opening the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap Apps to view the list of installed applications. Next, find One UI Home. If it isn't visible, tap the filter and sort icon near the top right corner, enable Show System Apps, and tap OK. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly search for One UI Home. Once you're on the One UI Home app page, scroll to the Usage section and tap Storage. Here you'll see options for managing the app's data. Now tap Clear Data. Be careful not to tap Clear Cache, as clearing the cache won't reset your home screen layout. A confirmation message will appear explaining that the app's settings and layout will be removed. Tap Delete or OK to continue. Your phone's screen may briefly flicker or refresh while the launcher resets. After a few seconds, return to your home screen. You'll notice that the default Samsung layout has been restored, similar to how it looked when you first set up your device. Keep in mind that this only resets your home screen configuration. Your apps, files, accounts, and personal data remain safe. If you previously customized folders, widgets, or icon placements, you'll need to set them up again. And that's it. Your Android home screen has been successfully reset, giving you a fresh, clean layout in just a few minutes.